On behalf of Proofpoint and Carahsoft, we would like to welcome you to today's podcast, a holistic, people-centric approach to insider threat management, where Proofpoint's Observe IT team will discuss the dangers of insider threats and how the Observe IT platform helps organizations protect against data loss, malicious acts, and brand damage.
Thanks everyone for your time today. We really appreciate it. As I was stated, I'm the Director of Channels at Observe It Proofpoint. And today for our agenda, I'm going to do a brief introduction on Observe It Proofpoint, who we are, what we do, and then hand it over to Nick Hensley. He's our Channel SD Manager. So Proofpoint ITM, we were acquired by Proofpoint just about a year ago. And we were the first purpose-built insider threat management platform. And because of our people-centric approach to insider threat management, we really aligned well with Proofpoint's people-centric security messaging. We have both on-prem and a newly released SaaS platform, but we're referred to as Proofpoint ITM. It's short for insider threat management. So oftentimes you'll hear us refer to ourselves as ITM. And over time, you'll see us fully integrate with the Proofpoint portfolio. So what is Observe It ITM? Observe It is an insider threat management platform that gives comprehensive visibility, proactive detection, and rapid response. And what we're doing is really truly correlating data movement to user action and activity. So all the actions, activities that a user makes at the endpoint, we're going to capture it and make it really easy to detect a potential breach in real time via insider threat and give you the tools to respond to that breach very quickly. We'll help you investigate incidents faster with visibility because we are capturing and monitoring every action taken at the endpoint, every keystroke, mouse click, any website that users go to. We're going to capture that and make it very easy to detect and respond to. So now I will hand it over to Nick.
Hey, thanks, Liz. I'm just going to talk kind of high level about stuff. So really, I'm going to talk about the nature of work has changed, right, with the environment we're in. Right now, people are working a lot differently, right? We have a lot of different people that are connected to our environments. With the gig economy, we have people in our supply chains. A lot of people interact with the cloud. People are communicating a lot differently, and of course, right now with everything happening, the remote working environment. With that being said, one of the things at Proofpoint we like to look at are our employees, right? And employees or your people, they really are your new security perimeter.